So remember, short people have long faces, long people have short faces, big people have little humor, and little people have no humor at all. And in the words of that immortal bard, Samuel J. Snodgrass, as he was about to be led to the guillotine. Make 'em laugh, make 'em laugh. Don't you know everyone wants to laugh? My dad said, be an actor, my son, but be a comical one. They'll be standing in lines for those old honky-tonk monkey shines. Now you could study Shakespeare, be quite elite, and you could charm the critics and have nothing to eat. Just live on a banana, peel the world at your feet. Make 'em laugh, make 'em laugh, make 'em laugh. Make 'em laugh, make 'em laugh. Don't you know everyone wants to laugh?
Hi, I'm Matthew Galovich. I'm a senior at BC, and I'm Don Lockwood in Singing in the Rain.
I'm Jonathan Philip DeCulis. I play Cosmo Brown, but most people call me JP.
Hi, I'm Lauren DeCulis, and I'm playing Kathy Selden in this year's Singing in the Rain.
Hi, my name's Ellie Leto. I'm a junior at St. Vincent's, and I'm playing the role of Lena Lamont.
What's your favorite part about the show?
My favorite part of the play is our long rehearsals and spending time with everybody.
I'm excited to show everyone what we can do, because people were worried about last year's seniors leaving. I want to show them that we're a great program. There's a lot of talent here left.
My favorite part about the show is probably the people. I get to see the cast every single day. You know, we like to mess around and stuff every night, and it's pretty fun. So
I think it's interesting that I get to get close with everybody because it's my first year doing this. So I think it's just getting close with everyone, really like forming lifelong friendships.
And you know, you're trying to do your makeup for the show, and it's tech week, and you're like, oh my gosh, this, and then all the BC boys are like, who stole my blush? Like, you never thought they'd be doing it, and sure enough they are. They're like trying to put on makeup, and it's really funny because they look like an Oompa Loompa by the end.
What's your favorite line from the show?
my favorite line is probably when Dexter is all like, "Lights, roll 'em."
From the show.
Oh, it's my line. If you've seen one, you've seen them all.
I gotta say, it's the line where he goes, talking pictures. He goes, well, that means I don't have a job. And he goes, at last I can start suffering and write that symphony. And then he goes, you're not fired. He goes, I'm making you head of the music department. And then he goes, at last I can stop suffering and write that symphony. No, that's a good one.
That's a great.
I really like the line, dignity my ass, because everything about it is just really funny, mostly because I get to punch JP as I'm walking off stage, so
That's a good one.
it's a lot of fun.
Your favorite scene to do from the show?
My favorite scene is definitely Good Morning.
My favorite scene has to be, it's a little biased, but I definitely love Make 'em Laugh. It's
Make 'em
definitely my
Laugh?
favorite. It's so much fun to do.
It is.
So much fun.
It's very cool.
Favorite scene to do is probably Moses Supposes because of all the cool tapping and everything, and I like the song. So, yeah.
My favorite part of the show, I really like any of the dance numbers. Like, Make 'em Laugh is super funny. Like, just everything about that, it's just fun to watch.
Part of the show.
Well, I get to get my hair grade, which people make fun of me for, but I get to yell at everyone, and I love yelling at people.
Thank you. What are you hoping to bring to the role?
I just want to bring him to life. I want to show everyone who Cosmo Brown is, who's really me, so that's a good expression of myself.
I'm hoping to bring this show to life and make it the best Singing in the Rain production ever put on.
Oh yeah.
I hope I do Demi Reynolds justice. Oh my gosh. Living up to her it's a lot. For this production.
For this production, I'm planning on bringing a lot of comedy to the character because she's very out there, and she's super extra, and you gotta bring that extra along with that side of extra. So that's what I'm hoping to bring to this character and to the table. So.
What do you like most about the role?
He's kind of like me. He's kind of a little fun-loving character. Always energetic, always having fun, cracking jokes. It's great. I love it. It's kind of like playing myself.
phone?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine. And you're not really fine, but you just can't get